Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the network because online matches fail most often for connectivity reasons. First, plug a cable. Wired Ethernet cuts jitter and packet loss. Once done, power cycle modem and router, wait about 60 seconds, then retest your ping. Next, make sure NAT is open. Enable UPnP or forward the game's ports on your router so connections establish reliably. Doing these steps first prevents transient network drops during matches and reduces matchmaking errors. Once your network is solid, focus on the system and game itself. You should verify or repair game files to remove corruption that breaks online play. Reinstall if needed. Meanwhile, disable overlays and background uploads. These steal bandwidth and cause stutters. Update GPU drivers and Windows or console firmware to ensure compatibility. Finally, whitelist the Efootball executable in firewall or antivirus and confirm required ports are permitted. This avoids blocked peer connections that prevent matches from loading. You finish by validating the fixes and preparing for quick recovery if problems persist. Launch a private or practice online match to confirm latency and match stability under real conditions. If issues remain, briefly switch regions or test with a VPN to check routing problems. Make sure to revert if performance drops. Finally, if nothing helps, gather match logs, timestamps, and error codes so support can act quickly. A single tip: when stuck, reproduce the problem and capture network logs before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.